Yes! Yes!
2022
Woo!
was a shit year.
Woo! Everyone, take their favorite drink. Everyone just, you know, do their own thing. Take their drink. Sip up. Wow. Let's go. 2023 has arrived. Nice. I see the fireworks, everyone. Whoa, we're dancing here. 2022 was a shit year. Queen Elizabeth died, Peely died. But now we have 2023, which is way better. You cannot probably see the good fireworks over here, but yeah. Oh my god, this is insane! Oh my freaking god! We got so much fireworks over here, this is incredible! This is incredible, everyone! Incredible! Oh my god, that was so loud! Ah! Holy shit! Oh my god! I can't even imagine how loud it is. My ears are almost dead. Oh my god. Yeah. 2023 fireworks. Oh my god. I don't feel safe anymore.